In this session, let us learn about chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution is used as a basis to verify the hypothesis. It has two parameters, df, degree of freedom, size, the shape of the returned array. See the example, draw out of sample for chi-square distribution with degree of freedom 2 with size 2 into 3. From NumPy, import random. See, by using chi-square module, see the result returns this. Visualization of chi-square distribution. By executing this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of the part 26 chi-square distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, relay distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.